Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to stop auto download in Telegram. First, open the Telegram app. Now, at the top of the screen, you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. And you can see settings there. Click on it. After tapping on settings, you will see many options. From there, choose data and storage. You will see the automatic media download section on your screen. Turn off all the options available on it. And you will successfully stop auto download on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to stop auto download in Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.